Another aspect of forgotten devotion to the Blessed Sacrament that existed in previous ages was the post-communion fast. We all know of the fast before Holy Communion, but in days of faith, people fasted after receiving Holy Communion also. I was blessed at the age of 17 to be informed of this discipline, the post-communion fast. And in those early days of my return to the Catholic faith, even though I was unaware of the importance of the long Thanksgiving, I was at least informed of the post-communion fast. So even though perhaps my Thanksgiving then was very poor, at least to God's glory and in devotion to the Blessed Sacrament, I knew that a fast should be maintained after Holy Communion as a sign of added reverence to the Blessed Sacrament that has been received. Reception of the Blessed Sacrament must be the defining feature of each day, and part of that definition is the post-communion fast. You notice that you have received the Blessed Sacrament when you are ensuring to fast for a period of time after Holy Communion as well as before. It impacts your day. Your whole life is affected by the fact that you have been privileged to receive the Blessed Sacrament. The theological motive for such a fast is similar to the ablution of the mouth. You are defining the fact that the Blessed Sacrament, our Lord Jesus, has been inside of you. And even though his physical presence will have faded, you honour the fact that he has been with you by a sustained fast. You have received him, the bread of life, the heavenly food, the food for the journey. Is it no wonder that some of the saints, many of the saints, ate only the Blessed Sacrament? They lived of this heavenly food alone. And the post-communion fast is a reminder to us of this reality, that the saints lived from the Blessed Sacrament alone. And so this fast constitutes a desire to receive this gift, to live of the Lord alone, to be fed only by him. I was told in my youth by a very holy man that the post-communion fast should last an hour. And so the fast will continue even after the ablution of the mouth. After you have purified your mouth, there is then a shorter period of fasting until you eat something. When a post-communion fast is lived, the grace before meals becomes even more punctuated, even more significant, for you are feeding only after feeding yourself first on the bread of life. You notice that you are hungry, and only with this hunger do you respond to this desire to eat, and only after a short period of fasting in honor of the Blessed Sacrament. How sad it is to see so many monasteries, so many seminaries ordering lunch, breakfast, immediately after the holy sacrifice of the Mass. What profanity, what evil. Let this not happen among us. Let there be a sustained period of thanksgiving, and then after thanksgiving, that is a half an hour's thanksgiving, a reflective pause, a pause in your day until you take food. Of course, if your thanksgiving is extraordinarily long, an hour, 2 hours, then you have accomplished a post-communion fast solely in the Thanksgiving period, and may God bless you for that. You are walking truly in the company of the saints in living this spirituality of the extended Thanksgiving, the extended post-communion fast, treating the body with scorn, feeding it only what it needs and only after it complains, putting the Blessed Sacrament way ahead of these necessary bodily functions. For those of us who have not reached the heights of such an extended Thanksgiving, let us at least, after the necessary period of 30 minutes Thanksgiving, maintain a gap until we eat properly, until we break the fast, the post-communion fast, which is the final way through which our body pays homage to the fact that there has been a divine visitor this day, that the Lord himself has been dwelling inside of me. Blessed be Jesus Christ, in the most holy sacrament of the altar.